Every year, millions of passwords are stolen. But have you ever wondered how hackers actually do it? It's not always a mysterious genius in a hoodie. Most of the time, it's simple tricks that anyone can fall for. Method 1. Phishing. Hackers send fake emails or messages that look real, tricking you into entering your password on a fake login page. It's the oldest trick in the book, and still one of the most effective. Method 2. Keyloggers. This is malicious software secretly installed on your device. It records everything you type, including your passwords, and sends it straight to the hacker. Method 3. Data breaches. When companies get hacked, millions of passwords are leaked online. Hackers then buy or download these lists and try them on other accounts, knowing most people reuse the same password everywhere. Method 4. Brute force attacks. This is when a hacker uses software to automatically guess thousands of password combinations every second until it gets the right one. Short, simple passwords fall to brute force in minutes. Method 5. Social engineering. Sometimes hackers don't even need tech. They just trick you into revealing personal details, like your pet's name or birthday, and use that information to guess your password. So how can you protect yourself? Always use strong, unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication whenever possible. And never reuse the same password across multiple accounts. Hackers have plenty of tricks, but a few smart habits can keep you safe. Like this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and check the description for links to tools we recommend to protect your accounts.